Hello everybody, this is Ghib Ojisan. Welcome to Tanjong Pagar, Singapore's prime business district. Today I was invited by my viewer who lives at the second tallest condo in Singapore. The condo is called Skysuites and it is 250 meters tall. I've heard there are amazing facilities. Let's check out the inside. Hey Tim!
Hey!
How's it going?
How's it going, man?
Thank you for inviting.
Alright.
So this is your friend's flat?
Yeah,
friend's
actually
condo.
it was initially a friend's place.
Okay.
But then I have another friend who just moved in like 2 weeks ago. So
Alright. What do you like about it?
well, it's just pretty high. It's very
Pretty high.
tall. I guess you have a very interesting view. You can actually see Sentosa from up there.
Oh man,
Yeah.
excited.
You know, that sort of thing. Yeah, we're here. Look at that.
That one! Whoa! That is extremely tall. So this is Sky Suites. It comprises of 360 residential units within 72 stories. 首がもげそう。こうやって見てると。We're here. Nice. So what floor does your friend live at? Wow, check this out, man.
You don't have to check it out.
So many buttons here. 42.
Later on we'll go up here.
72.
One of this.
I'm guessing there's like a pool and other facilities on
Yeah,
the
there's
top.
like a small jacuzzi thing going on.
Jacuzzi. Alright, so we're here at the 42nd story of Sky Suites. Let's check it out.
Hey guys,
Yeah, come in.
what's up?
How you doing? Thank you for having me.
No
Excited to
worries.
check it out.
I'm good.
What's your name?
Nitesh.
Nitesh, I'm Ghib. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, man.
Alright. I like your studio. Very cozy.
Oh, thanks, man.
And oh man, the view, man. Check this out. So high. Can I go outside?
Yeah, I'll help you.
Thank you so much. Oh, that's nice. Got the wooden deck here. And the view, man. So windy. Do you do anything with the balcony space here?
Just maybe smoke sometime here,
Smoke sometime.
dry my clothes here,
Dry your clothes.
and just enjoy the view sometime during the evening, you know.
You can set up like a mini balcony here. I mean, mini like a desk here. Get a
Yeah,
stool, maybe work.
yeah, maybe. Since I just moved in, I didn't like get much time to, you know,
Right.
decorate this space, but maybe yeah.
When did you move in?
I just, you know, I'm turning 30 and I just wanted to be at a better place and
Better place.
just wanted a space for myself, so that was the reason I just
Yeah,
moved
this
in
place
here.
is nice, man.
Yeah.
Can I ask you how much you pay for this apartment?
Also for this one I'm paying like around 2.5k
2.5k.
excluded utilities. Yep.
Excluded utilities.
Yeah.
Including maybe around 3,000 ish?
No, I think 2.6,
2.6.
2.7 maybe. Yeah.
Do you think that's expensive or do you think it's worth it?
Let's see. I will find out if it's worth it or not. But so far I feel good. So yeah.
Yeah.
But I mean, of course, Singapore is expensive.
It
so
is, it
you
is.
can't complain about that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, can we check out your flat?
Sure.
Alright, so here, I'm guessing, let me guess, it's a fridge.
Yep. Correct, man.
Yes. Oh, sorry, I just opened it without asking.
No, it's okay.
I hope you're not mad, man.
No, it's okay.
Wow. I like how it's concealed.
Yeah, so
Right?
it's like a you know, very minimalist design kind of thing.
Yeah.
Like,
This is what you get in these high-end condos, actually. Concealed fridge and freezer.
yeah.
Can I open that?
Yeah.
Thank you. Oh, nice. I like it. It's very organized, very clean, neat. Do we have something here?
Yeah, we have like a washer dryer here.
Oh,
and there's
nice.
a wine chiller.
Oh, that's so cool, man.
Then I just have my like boxing stuff and all.
There's plenty of storage here. Actually,
Yeah.
should be enough for a solo guy. And next to it is a kitchen.
Yeah, I will show you the kitchen.
Wow, you can pull it out like that.
Yeah.
Oh man, this is so cool. You can see you like cooking.
I do sometimes.
Is it a bit tiny or good enough?
Actually, it's good enough for
Yeah.
a single guy.
So this is where you store your pasta, sauce and stuff.
Yeah.
It's actually for hiding this place, right? Kind of. It's very thoughtful. And over here, you got plenty of munchies. Very neat. 今のところ狭いながらもすごくこの限られたスペースを有効活用してる感じがしますね。これいいですね。
Yeah, so over here I just set up my table. I'm gonna be like, since we're all working from home these days, so just gonna set up my laptop and desktop here.
And maybe eating here.
Yeah, you can use it for eating and yeah, multi-purpose table actually.
Yeah, it's cool. And you have a little area to put your books here.
Shelf, yeah.
Nice. And this is the bedroom or the living room area. It's a studio, so this is where he does everything, I guess. Cool. Did the furniture come together?
Yeah, so the couch and TV and this one, yeah, TV.
What did not come with the unit?
No, actually everything.
Everything, right? That's pretty convenient. Two-seater sofa. And I like this area. Do you use it?
Sometimes do some stuff on my iPad or laptop.
Yeah, you get to enjoy the view here. Wow.
More cozy.
Look at the view. It's almost tall as Pinnacle Duxton. That's a public housing. The highest point of Pinnacle at Duxton. Can I check out your toilet? I feel like I'm a creep. It's just a home tour. Home tour, that's why. All right, check it out. Check out the tiles, pure black. So tastefully done, so modern. And I think this, yeah, you can hide this shelf too. It's pretty cool. Here we have shower, no rain shower I believe, but pretty cool here. Very nicely designed toilet. Do you enjoy the toilet here?
Yeah, I mean, I like the toilet. Like, one of the cool things in the apartment is like toilet. Kind of give like a hotel feeling, you know.
It does. What's in the wardrobe?
All my branded clothes from Uniqlo.
Nice, man.
Well, sometimes like this light's supposed to be like auto on, but
Oh, it's not working already.
yeah.
Oh man, you have to complain. Alright, so Nitesh, thank you so much for showing me around. I know it was kind of awkward.
No worries, man. No, it's fun.
Yeah,
It's cool.
I really enjoyed it. Can I ask you what you like about living here, and also not what you also don't like about living at Skysuites?
So far, like I like this place because it's like in heart of the CBD. Like
Yeah.
food places around, and the place itself is quite cozy and like enough for like single guy, you know. Then-
Very convenient.
But yeah, pretty convenient.
But what do you not like about the condo? There has to be one, right? Nothing's perfect.
What do I not like about the condo is
Maybe the rent.
yeah, the rent
Right.
is pretty expensive.
Yeah.
But since it's CBD area, so
Can't help.
I think yeah, it's okay. But yeah, I wish it could be a little bit cheaper.
Cheaper. Yeah. What kind of facilities do you have in this condo?
They have a tennis court, they have a pool table, basic gym, then they have a swimming pool. The cool part about this condo is like they have a very good rooftop, like at level 72, where you can.
The highest floor, right?
Yeah.
72.
Actually, it's 74. Because
74.
72 is where there's another lift going 2 floors above. So
Wow. Can we check out the facilities? Is that
sure,
okay?
sure.
Exciting
I'll
to
show you
check
guys
it
around,
out.
yeah.
Alright, this is the 7th floor. What do we have here?
So they have a mini gym.
Oh, we have a gym here. Right. We got everything, a treadmill, some benches, some dumbbells, even some cable machines. That's nice. And I believe this is the kids pool. Did you get the opportunity to play here?
Not yet, but
Not yet.
my friend is coming over at 5 p.m. so he's gonna swim.
Alright.
Isn't this a kids pool?
There.
Yeah, that was a joke. That was a joke, kinda.
Not here.
This is the actual pool, right, for the
This
adults?
is the actual pool.
Oh, it's so cool, man.
It goes, like you can see, it goes long way.
Super long. Starts over there
Yeah.
and come all the way here. Then it goes here. You can do some serious swimming here.
Yeah.
Awesome. Yeah, I recently had a staycation at Hilton, right? But the pool here is so much bigger. It's better than the hotel pool. And you actually see the sea over there. See the cargo ships?
So this is like a common function room.
Function room.
Yeah, you can book it for any event, small gathering.
Yeah, you can have gatherings and maybe even meetings here. Oh, cool. We even have a tennis court here. It's nice. And this is the barbecue pit, right?
Yeah.
cool, man. Yeah. You grill some meat here. You can enjoy it here, or you can come down here. And oh my gosh, wow, check that out. There's some koi fishes, I believe. Alright, so now we're at the 31st floor. Check out the view. I believe that's very near Harborfront. We even have a pool. Oh, this is pretty cool. A billiard table. This is pretty uncommon, right?
Yeah, actually,
Yeah.
I've stayed in condos before, but very rarely.
Very rare,
Yeah.
right? It's pretty fun. で、ここには、ちょっと座るエリアがあると。ただ正直今のところ、なんでしょうね、他のビルが全部高いせいか、なんか、うわーってなる景色はまだない。However, we cannot forget that this condo is 72 stories high. So we should have a better, amazing view at the top. Can you tell me where we're heading to?
Also, we are going to the most exotic place of the
Alright.
building,
Which is the 72nd.
yeah.
Alright, we're here at the highest level of the second tallest condo in Singapore. Hey, we're actually taking another elevator.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Okay, okay. And we are going to where? R. Oh, okay, okay. So we're going to R, higher than 72nd story. Wow! Now I can finally feel the height. Check this out. Look at all those ships. That's East Coast Park over there. This is the whole financial district, and we're kind of looking down on it.
Yeah.
Whoa, man. That's Chinatown. Yeah, this is like one of the tallest building in this area, actually. You can see that. I think that's like a bank. That bank is a bit higher, but everything else is quite lower.
That's the highest building in Singapore.
Oh, that's the highest building in Singapore. Gluco Tower. This is around like 250, this condo. Maybe around like 300.
You can see it like from up here, looking down at it.
Yeah, we're looking down at Oasia Hotel. Never done that before. And oh my gosh, I was there last time. Pinnacles. And this condo is so much higher than that. すげえなこれでも本当になんかもう全てがおもちゃみたいに見えますね。高い団地すらもおもちゃに見える。And we even have a jacuzzi here. Wow. And Nitesh, you're ready to dive in, man. Nice. And check this out. We even have this mini table. You don't even need to go to like those bars, you know. You can just bring your wine out here.
That's what we do.
That's what you do.
During weekends, we just come here, have some drinks, and like it's pretty chill and like very windy during the evening time and the night time.
Wow, man.
So you sure need a jacket, you know.
You need a jacket.
Yeah.
Are you kidding me? In
Yeah.
Singapore. Wow. You really cannot get enough of the view. And I think I even see Batam over there. Indonesia.
Yeah, that's Indonesia.
Right? This is so incredible. And I can't believe this is like the second tallest. The first tallest is I believe it's Wah Lich. It's also a condo around here. Should be somewhere around here, but this is already so high. Look what we found. We found a mini house on top of a condo. Do you think that's a penthouse?
I don't know. It's strange. It looks like a house. Not a penthouse. Penthouse is like usually
Yeah,
a
it's different, right?
condo or whatever.
There's like a house on a roof of a condo.
Yeah, because it has the lawn and all that.
Yeah.
It's just a bit strange.
It's so weird. You see lots of new stuff
Yeah.
when you're at the second tallest condo in Singapore.
Like the mountains there.
Yeah.
And then you think about it, whether Singapore actually has mountains. Is
Yeah,
that
we see
Singapore?
mountains, right?
Is that Malaysia or
Malaysia for sure.
That's Malaysia, right?
Singapore that small?
Yeah.
No, seriously, because if
Yeah.
you can see JB, right, that's like literally seeing across the whole island. Because we are south. It's like,
That,
We are on the south, and that's north.
that's
Yeah.
Malaysia's mountain, right?
Yeah.
so basically we're
Wow.
looking at the whole of Singapore.
Yeah, we're looking at the whole of Singapore from here. True. Okay, so that was the tour of Skysuites. Thank you too for showing us around. Wow, what an experience. I had one of the most amazing view of Singapore. Would you guys live there? Pay $2,500 per month to live in that studio? let me know in the comments. I thought it was very nice. It's cozy, but there were many implementations they did. Like you were able to hide part of the kitchen. There were lots of things they tried to do to make the unit kind of feel bigger. And if you wanted to purchase that, you just have to fork out 900,000 Singapore dollars, and that's yours. 日本円で7000万円ぐらいですね。もうどうなってんのシンガポールの物価って感じですが、はい、まあこういう土中心街に住むとこういう値段になりますね。もしもっとこういう動画が見たいって方はグッドボタン、あとシンガポールで家を探してるって方は、概要欄に貼ってますが、お家探しシンガポールさん、一緒に僕提携してます。なので、ジブおじさんの動画を見たって言えば仲介料が 10% オフになりますので、シンガポールで住宅を探してるって方はぜひ、行ってみてください。So I'm just gonna do some live stream around here and go home. If you don't follow my live stream channel, please do. It's in the description box as well. And please follow me on Instagram. I do a lot of exclusive posts. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.